What's good, everybody? Day 42 of 100. Let's get right to it. God, thank you for another beautiful, hot, smothering day. Thank you for fans. Thank you for cloud cover. Thank you for AC. We love you so much. Thank you, Yahweh. Yes. Continue to show up, show progress. Always strive to be your best self. Don't let nobody get in the way of who you are truly meant to be. Don't allow anything or anyone to bring negativity into your life. Remember, silence is one of the best responses. Heal your body with that herbal tea. God's medicine. My moonstone plant showing progress. Everything growing righteously. Stay passionate. Stay hungry for results. Always do more than you did yesterday. Stay disciplined and do exactly what attracts what you desire. For me, I like making hats, so I might just go out and see what other hats people are wearing. This always gets me fired up and keeps my mind in the creative mindset. Continue to live in the moment and focus on what you can control. Always acknowledge your small accomplishments and speak highly of yourself. Keep from overwhelming yourself with knowledge. Take time to comprehend and apply the information. Make time to meditate and clear the mind. You got this. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Peace.